I'm here in my college, just looking around. I hope somebody is here because it's already 8:30 and classes start at 8:30. Maybe. Let's see if anybody is there. Let me show you my premises. Hello again. Oh my god, this was like my first day कि एग्ज़ाम हो गए हैं और उसके बाद like पहला क्लास अटेंड की मैं and it was amazing, I must say. The teachers are so experienced and they have such amazing stories to tell about this college and this university. So today we had only one class which was like 2 hours long. Oh my god, his name is he has already become my favorite teacher. His name is Patrick, Dr. Patrick. He's a very, very amazing teacher, I must say. Today the things he told us about, I mean, it's so inspiring that it inspires to be something more than what you are. And I really, really feel that अगर यहाँ पे हूँ तो I must really enjoy this time, even if it's hard to maintain. My office timing is like from 10:30, 11, and then I have to come to the class at around 8:30. It might be difficult, it is difficult, but the thing is, if I pull it off, it will be the best experience of my life for me. And I was like sitting there and I was actually the first one in the class. There was nobody, very less attendance it was today, less people came today. But the thing is, I was first there and I thought there is no class. I thought बन गई मैं फिर से, but ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Apparently students were late, that's all. And sir was all like, he was so on time. He came like exact at 8:30. When I almost reached, he was there. But I am from section A, so he was supposed to teach in section B. As there was very less strength, actually just 2 girls in my section, me and one more girl, I don't know her name. So we were there. We almost like, so we were like, we were thinking कि class नहीं होगी. But then he came along and he was like, तुम लोग भी section B में आ जाओ, we'll have a class there only. So like that, we went there and he was telling us about everything. See, he was a student here. The most amazing thing to hear is that he was a student here and then he has been teaching from past 15 years and he has been telling us about such amazing people, one of the attenders here, and a student who was also like studying and doing a job. It was such amazing things, yaar. I mean, I feel very inspired, I feel boosted to move forward. Just coming to classes is something, a very different experience. Online ठीक है यार, लेकिन class आके पढ़ना is a very, 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 very different feeling. I love it. I love every bit of it. I'm hoping to be very regular until some shit happens with me. Either I'm like tired or I don't know, maybe sick or something, but I will continue to come to the classes. Now I have to take my bus so that I can reach my home and log in. So yeah, it was a wonderful experience to be today in the class. I'll be regular almost. Yeah, and I am hoping to visit the library very soon because I have to issue some books. And also both the libraries, one library is there in my college and the other is Dr. Ambedkar library. It's like this huge, extremely huge, and like many books there, and I was so shocked to see, like, you will see some pictures in Instagram I will be posting in front of that library. There's like so many stairs, and everybody was taking pictures and everybody was attending. Like, the students from here has been telling me these things. There are like so many books you can take from there, like study. There are journals that are, very useful for us. Research books, many things are there. I personally want to explore maybe this Friday, because I don't have office on Friday and Saturdays, so I may be here for a very long time. And I love libraries, I love books, I love reading. So yeah, I'll be here on Fridays and Saturday in the library. Also, a few examinations I'm thinking to prepare for. Sir has been telling us about that also. So he was telling I can get books from library, so I'll do that as well. Hi there again. Oh, I look weird. So I'm in my house. First I'm vlogging in my house. It's evening. All alone. Just took a bath because शाम को नहाने के बाद दिया जलाना is one of the rituals in my house, so I do that. So just done with that. Skin is very dry, so moisturizing. I would have shown all of you my house, room and everything, but I don't think anybody is in the mood to see my extremely messy room. So yeah, someday I'll give a very good house tour if I make myself capable enough to clean this house. With that, Pakka I will show. But it was a very typical day, very rainy and everything. But yeah, it was quite a relief that it rained after like a week full of humidity and heat, extreme heat. And I was like, Bapre, how will I do things today? Because I used to get so exhausted after coming from my college, even if it was just for 2-3 hours. Still, it was so exhausting, like being in the bus and then coming all the way to my house and then start working. It's like very exhausting. So yeah, and I don't know why after coming to Hyderabad, my skin seems to be very dry. My skin is naturally dry, but after coming here, it feels very dry now. Yeah. So as I was saying, my skin is getting very dry. If you could see these lines are due to dryness. Also, this morning it was a very bad start because I was very allergic to, I don't know what I'm allergic to, but supposedly it's dust and I guess strong smell, something, I don't know what hit me, but it was all watery eyes, watery nose and everything. But yeah, ultimately it got fine. And like, I don't know if anybody else is suffering from this, especially like in this rainy season wala season. My hair is getting dry also. Like, I'm oiling them everything, but still they're just very dry. I don't know. But now it's just wet. They're just wet. Okay then, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.